So sad, Natalie. And of course, people in Central Texas can relate a little bit to that. Our flood event this week, certainly not that deadly, but still very devastating.
Just as destructive. And that flooding event actually happened from the same storm that caused the one down here in New Braunfels, where we saw up to 12 inches of rain reported in some areas. So we have more pictures from the New Braunfels cleanup efforts online right now, KXAN.com. You'll find this story under the local news tab. We have quite a few. We've been tracking it since the heavy rainfall several days ago. So you can find all of these pictures and much more on the cleanup efforts at KXAN.com, just under that local news tab. Today, hot one out there, 92 degrees, 93 out of ABIA, right around normal for this time of year, and we're expecting similar temperatures as we head through your weekend. Right now, it's been a warm evening, so temperatures have dropped into just the low 80s. 84 still in Llano, 81 in Lakeway, 81 in Georgetown as well, 82 currently in Bastrop. Here in town, it's 82 degrees with clear skies, same out of ABIA. Dew points still in the low to mid 70s, so we have a lot of moisture in there. You can feel it the minute you step outside, and that's not going to go anywhere. By tomorrow, we can actually expect dew points as similar conditions tomorrow. That means our heat index values, what it's going to feel like when the sun comes out, will be right around 100 degrees. Right now, temperatures, or winds, I should say, are still out of the south and east. That's helping to pull up more of that moisture, anywhere between 10 15 miles an hour through the day tomorrow. So when we wake up tomorrow morning, the cloud cover is going to set back in right around 78 degrees. It's going to be a warm start to the day. Cloud cover breaking up by noon, though, 88 with partly sunny skies. Those partly sunny conditions will stick around through your 6 p.m. hour. Look at our high, though, 95 degrees tomorrow, with it feeling just a little bit warmer because of how much moisture is going to be in the air. Satellite radar shows that for the past, this entire day, we have had cloud cover stretched across the central portions of the state until just recently. Little thunderstorm this morning over the hill country. As it moved northeast, though, it tapered off. And we're now tracking a disturbance in the upper levels of the atmosphere, starting this wet weather out to our west along a dry line, too, at the surface. So as these storms move east, they're going to weaken just a little bit. Maybe could hit our western hill country counties with a shower or two, but they will weaken once they move away from that dry line. And then we're expecting just mostly cloudy skies for the rest of the overnight hours. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have a ridge of high pressure that's actually going to move back to the west through the weekend. That means it's going to actually help clear out our skies a little bit. But since we're right on the edge of this ridge, we have a small possibility of a few showers and thunderstorms to pop up through the afternoon. We're going a very small percentage, though, only less than 20%. Most areas, if not all of us, are going to stay dry this weekend. We're just going to see partly sunny, very hot conditions. Clouds and radar forecast starts us out with partly sunny skies tomorrow. Maybe a few showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours, but not much more than that. Very few of us, if any of us, will see any of those. And then by Sunday, same sort of setup happens with partly sunny skies. Tonight, we'll drop down into the upper 70s for tomorrow. Mid-90s out there. Here in Austin tonight, 78 degrees, 95 for your afternoon high. And your 7-day forecast shows these hot temperatures are going to stick around through the weekend. Then through the early next week, we have temperatures overnight falling back into the mid-70s, afternoon highs, mid-90s. Small chances of rain both Tuesday and Thursday.